Hello friends, in this video we will see what is OOPS, core concept of OOPS and advantages. What is object-oriented programming? It is a programming paradigm that relies on the concept of classes and objects. It is used to structure a software program into simple, reusable pieces of code blueprint. We will see core concept of OOPS. First concept is class. Class is a group of similar entities. It is a blueprint or prototype from which objects are created. For example, if you have a class called cars, it could have objects like Mercedes, BMW, Toyota, etc. Its properties or data can be price or speed of these cars. And methods may be driving, reverse, braking, etc. Next concept is object. An object is an instance of a class. Object consists of state, behavior and identity. Example is dog. State is represented by attribute of an object. It also reflects the properties of an object. So state or attribute for dog will be breed, age, color. Behavior is represented by methods of an object. It also reflects the response of an object with other objects. So behavior for dog will be bark, sleep, eat. Identity gives a unique name to an object and enable one object to interact with other objects. So identity for dog will be name of the dog. Next concept is inheritance. In inheritance, one object acquires the properties and behavior of other object. It creates a parent-child relationship between two classes. Next concept is polymorphism. Polymorphism represents the ability of a variable, object or function to take multiple forms. Next concept is abstraction. Abstraction is an act of representing essential feature without including the background detail. For example, while driving a car, you don't need to be concerned about its internal working. Here you just need to know about parts like steering, wheel, gears, accelerator. Next concept is encapsulation. Is an OOPS technique of wrapping the data and code. These are the core OOPS concepts. Now we will see advantages of OOPS. OOPS provide a clear modular structure for the programs. It makes possible to create full reusable applications with less code and shorter development time. Thanks for watching.